Hello, in front of me I've got NUBIA RedMagic 7S. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now go back, let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and go to lock screen. Make sure that this function is enabled. Now we can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be showers with a high of 64 and a low of 45.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.